Okay, so I want to show you an example of a article that actually first was in Wikipedia. I know a lot of you like to use Wikipedia as a source, not always the most reliable because anyone can post in Wikipedia. So you do get some bias or some outrageous things on there. What you can do sometimes is, and I do this personally, you can go look at Wikipedia, look at their references. If they has used reliable references, click on their references and go to those to research information. Okay? For example, you can't just plug in anything on the internet and do an internet search and find out information because this is something that you could see. Yes, we have an entire website dedicated to the Pacific Northwest tree octopus. Yes, sir. Tells about it. Look, it gives ways you could actually help. How can you help support the tree octopus? Questions and answers, sightings. Oh my word, there's everything on here. Okay? Totally all made up. You have to be laughing right now because you know an octopus is an aquatic animal. There is no way an octopus will live in a tree. This originally, the whole tree octopus idea was an article in Wikipedia. Since then, Wikipedia has changed it. Let me show you what it says now. So now if you go to Wikipedia, it will say it was an internet hoax created in 1998 by a humor writer. Okay, so it was totally just made as a tongue-in-cheek type of article, and then people took it seriously. So it was a little crazy for a while. But like I said, you can always scroll down to the end and look for references that they use in something and go from there. So that was my quick service announcement for the day, is just watch those references. Always make sure that you are using reliable sources. Okay? Um, you're going to be writing an essay in Am I Right? But I've limited your choices on this one. I used to just let you choose whatever essay you wanted to do for your persuasion, but I have really researched and thought about this. Is you're not asked to do that when you're sitting in an exam room taking an English test. They give you the articles that you read, and you have to come up with your side of the essay. That is what Am I Right has done with persuasion. They have added the articles in there. So if you noticed when you had to report on one of those that had interest you, that's why, because the articles are already there. You just have to put it all together and write your essay. Okay? So if you have any questions, just let me know, and don't do a research paper on the tree octopus.